Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can create a stack in Evernote. It's very simple. All you need to do is to go into Notebooks. Once you're in here, you can click on the three dots on the right side of one notebook. Let's say I want to create a stack for both of these notebooks. It's very simple. Just click on the three dots. Click on Add to Stack. Since I don't have any stack as of now, I'll click on the New Stack button. Once this is done, I'll create a stack name and click on Create. After this, you will see that one of those notes have been added to the example stack. You can do the same for this note as well. Click on the three dots, click on Add to Stack, select Example. And now you'll see that you have now added both of these in the same stack. If you're not sure on what stacks are, well, it's pretty simple. It's a grouping of similar notebooks, or if they're written on similar topics, you can stack them into one section. If you want to remove something from a stack, you can again go to that stack, select that particular notebook and click on this option where it says Remove from Stack. And yeah, you will see that Daily Notes is out of the stack. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.